What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on XCN, because after this previous huge pump that actually had around like 40% of a net market, we are back in this bullish order block, and in my opinion, if certain conditions are met, we can actually open here a new long position. So if you are interested, what is the exact position that I'm planning to take, and also what is the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. If you want to get a free access to all of the coins that I am currently watching, then I want to let you know that I have my own Discord trading group where I am everyday sharing my setups. All of the trades that I am taking are on a Bydfi exchange, and if you want to get yourself a 10% lifetime discount on fees, you can use my referral link. Other trades that are either really short term or long term, I am taking on Bydfi with my copy trading account. So if you want to get access to my copy trading, just create an account with my affiliate and then send me a DM to my Discord. Let's start today on a 4-hour chart. For the past couple of weeks, we are in this sideways channel. You can see that only here we took liquidity under this area. So for now, I am watching here this bullish order block, which is between level 0.01050 and 9980. And if there will be a liquidity grip under with a support confirmation, this can be actually, in my opinion, a perfect long opportunity. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. Elastic profit target you can place somewhere to this bearish order block, or in my opinion, because we already tested this area several times, elastic profit target can be actually above this bearish order block area. So the potential risk reward can be up to 6.8 because stop loss will be probably around 5% of a net market and take profit target around 33%. In a trade like this, you also want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take in this bearish order block area, so under the level 0.01109, then some profits slightly above, then some profits under this bearish order block, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio is going to be around like 5-4, something like that, which is in my opinion really great. But as I said before, I will be opening here this long position. I want to see a liquidity grip under with support confirmation here. Another trade that you can actually take is just current market order above this support area, or like in this bullish order block. But in this case, so you want to place your stop loss just under this bullish order block. So you are risking there will be that liquidity grab that we are waiting for with the previous setup. But anyway, the last take profit target can be exactly the same. Risk reward ratio will be also kind of similar. And with multiple take profit targets, again, you will get risk reward ratio 4.5, something like that, which is another really great setup. But as I said, the main problem that I'm having with this scenario is that, in my opinion, there is actually really high probability that we are gonna take liquidity under. Maybe you are thinking that you can just place the stop loss under this previous low and you can just enter for a market. Yes, definitely you can do that. This will be definitely a safe stop loss, but on the other hand, your risk reward ratio will then decrease to 2.79. And in the long run, I am always trying to take trades with high risk reward ratio, so this is definitely not a setup for me. In my opinion, the best setup that you can currently take here will be just to wait for a liquidity grip and then a support confirmation. Of course, this can just pump from a current level, but this is no how I want to trade in the long run, because I simply always want to wait for that perfect setup. If we will take a look on a 12-hour chart, you can see we are having here this bullish order block, which is basically this previous 12-hour candle. In my opinion, there is actually not that high probability that there will be a liquidity grab with a support confirmation, because this previous low is actually not that important itself. It's not based on some important support, so yeah, I will be completely ignoring this bullish order block, or like at least this previous low. However, this is strong support. So again, that liquidity grab with a support confirmation can be a great opportunity on a 12-hour chart, but in this case, you simply want to place, if you will be opening some long position in this bullish order block, you want to place your stop loss under this previous low. So if you will be opening your long position around like 0.099, something like that, because there will be that liquidity liquidating gap with a support confirmation in this bullish order block, you want to place your stop loss just under this low, because if there will be breakdown, like, we don't have here any important liquidity that we can use as a support, and you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. On a 12-hour chart, last take profit target can be above this bearish order block, so we can speculate here for a move around like 72% of a net market. This is, in my opinion, also really great setup. You can see there are many important resistances, so in each bearish order block you should take some take profit target. So let's say first take profit target can be on 0.01151, then around this previous important highs, and last take profit target you can say for this liquidity grab above level 0.01700. So this can be, as I said, another potential great trade that you can take. Let's now take a look on a bigger picture, which means daily time frame or above. So like weekly, maybe you will take a look on a monthly. In my opinion, in the long run, we are definitely undervalued. And I think that if, for example, there will be another huge out season, we will see something like this. We will simply see here a huge short squeeze. So actually, as I also said in the previous video, in which we were like on somewhere on this like exact level, I said that in my opinion, it's like a good opportunity to buy this coin to your long-term portfolio. If you actually took this previous move up and you were up around like 30% of a net market, you probably took some of the profits. But in my opinion, right now, this can be another great idea to put some money into that long position. So if you want to be buying this coin in like a long run without leverage, because like you don't want to be paying funding fees on a coin like this, then yeah, you can take it, in my opinion, right now. You don't have to place your stop loss because it will be like it will be without that leverage, and in the long run I simply think there is higher probability that we will do 100% up than that we are gonna go on zero. So this is really great asymmetrical bet. And if you, for example, want to know about all the coins that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. And the last chart that I will show you in today's video is total to chart, which means altcoin market cap. Here again, we took liquidity above that previous all-time high, so above the level 1.79, but you can see we still don't have here that really important support confirmation. But also right now we took liquidity under this previous important lows, so if we will manage to get back, there will be a support confirmation like in these higher areas, we will probably skyrocket up. My exact, let's say, take profit target for this bull market is level 3.5. So from a current level, I still think altcoins will pump more than 110% of a net market. Probably XCN will do more than that. But of course, as always, we are in the crypto. There is some probability that this was actually a top of this whole bull market, and right now we are gonna go down. Do I think this is the main scenario? Definitely not. I am giving this scenario like 5% probability, something like that. So definitely my strategy is to accumulate as many long positions as I can. Of course, if they are only great setups, because that's the only setups that I'm of course taking, and then simply wait. So yeah, if you want to be part of my community, as I said, link to join is in the description or in the comments. So hey guys, this will be all for me for today. Thank you for watching, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. See ya.